everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Oldsmobile 442. Just a stunning car, guys. Car's out of South Carolina, had the same owner since 1983. It's just undergone a complete frame-up restoration. Gorgeous car, factory gold on gold. It's got the black vinyl top. It's got it's got my favorite option on the Oldsmobile, which is the ram air hood, rear deck spoiler. A ton of options, guys. It's not matching numbers, but it is era correct. 455 cubic inch, 370 horsepower engine, air, power steering, power disc brakes. It's got power windows, power seats, rear trunk release. It's got rear defog. It's got night watch. I mean, this thing is just loaded with options. Beautiful car. Like I say, previous owners had this car since 1983. Matter of fact, I've got the title back from our state. We can request to get that back, and I've got it, which is cool. It's got 2 build sheets, and like I say, just a killer car. Beautifully done. Love the color combination, and just overall, just a great car. See a couple little things you can kind of nitpick at it, but very, very nice car, guys. I love that hood on these cars. That's my favorite option on an Olds. Chrome and stainless is in excellent shape. The car runs and drives excellent. Great car. See the factory rear defog in there, and it works too. Rear deck spoiler. Paint on the car is just slick. That's just a little dust, guys. Car's laser straight down the side. It's got my favorite wheels in the Oldsmobile. Those are the SS1 chrome wheels, BF Goodrich radials all the way around it. It's got the trumpet exhaust tips. Beautiful car. Again, it's not matching numbers, but it does have an era correct 455 cubic inch engine, 370 horse, got a mild cam in it, 4-barrel, factory intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes, cruise control, air. We are going to have to charge the air. It works, kicks on and everything, but it's going to need a charge. 400 automatic trans. Of course, it's got the ram air breather. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Man, that's a nice car. Top's in great shape. Dual body color mirrors. So a little touch-up mark there. Door handles are nice. Great car. Just a quality car, man. And like I say, runs and drives excellent. Power windows, power seat. Bucket seats console. It's got the factory his and hers dual gate, tilt. Again, there's your factory night watch. I think that's an automatic dimmer, they call it. See how nice the gauges are. 20,360. That is not. It's 120 is what it is. AM/FM radio. It's got dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end. It's a highway gear, probably like a 331. So it is limited slip though. And they did step up the cam a little bit, the guy said, when they rebuilt the engine. Factory jack, spare. You can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk. This is pretty cool. Like I say, I got the title back. You see 1983. And then it's got a couple of the original build tags for it. Super cool car. Nice and clean underneath. It's just a quality car, guys. Rear sway bar. Seats are nice, and like I say, talk about a nice running and driving car. The car hits the road great. Those gauges are nice and clean. Have Jordy fired up here. Mirrors are nice. You see the AC actually kicked down when he first started it. But it's just low. We're going to have to get it charged. Good car. See if I can do. Look at that. One-handed. Yep. I was bragging. Yep, might have to come do that one, Jordy. There you go. It's not easy to do with one hand. Fuel gauge works. The clock's not working. Looks like all your dome lights are working. Like I said, the power windows all work. You hear that cam working now. Sounds mean. No on the radio, right? Didn't get anything on the radio. Blower motor does work, guys. Doors open and close real nice. And we also got to check the wipers. Couldn't get them. Oh, there he goes. Makes a liar out of me. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our YouTube page, our Facebook page, or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.